Whenever you notice bad energies, like all of a sudden the atmosphere is so uncomfortable, you are not feeling good, you are just suddenly become so sad, anger from nowhere, you have to do this immediately, because this can lead to something so bad. In case you have gotten this sign in dream as well, if you are the type that anytime you dream and it will manifest, you also have to do this as soon as possible. It's very important. You're welcome back. In case you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual messages and tips on this channel. I don't do spiritual work, so beware of scammers. I don't give out WhatsApp number. I only share it right here and also answer any questions right here. So beware of scammers. I don't do any of that. May God bless you. Consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell. There's a bell beside the subscribe button. So whenever you do so, you will get my uploads. You will know that I've uploaded. Like I said, you just notice that all of a sudden you become so sad, like atmosphere will be so unconducive. You go out there, people will make you so sad, like that day will just be a very bad day. Just do this as soon as possible. If you wake up and you notice that you just become so sad, you don't know where it's coming from, there are some forces behind that. I'm not saying that it cannot be natural, but if you just, like, you are a type that you are always happy, you went to bed happy, but you wake up feeling like this, please do this as soon as possible. If not, that day will be a very bad day for you. I get that sometimes, but I know what to do. So it's not as if you're a bad person or you have a bad character. Some people, because of some forces following them, so that is why you need to cleanse. Cleansing. This is when you need to apply cleansing. There are lots of cleansing videos I have salt cleansing, onion cleansing, urine cleansing. Urine cleansing is very powerful, like your own urine. You will not believe it. There are lots of them, okay? So all you have to do is just to go to YouTube, search Pama's TV cleansing, and all videos concerning cleansing will come out. Choose any of them. Do it rightly, follow the instructions. You will see things working perfectly. Like they will work. They will cleanse your environment, cleanse your body, to get rid of anything that that must have happened in dream. Things that may have happened in dream, that when you wake up, those things will start happening. You will not see it, but they will be happening. They will destabilize your day. They will make your day so so you need to cleanse to get rid of anything you inherited from dream or from normal, like going out. Maybe you just went out and came back, you start experiencing one thing or the other. Those things are negative energies. Somebody may visit you, everywhere was peaceful, but as that person left, bad things will be happening. So many things will be happening. Some people, they will quarrel with their spouse that same day, because there are bad energies occupying that space. The person that came may not be a bad person, but negative energy may be following that person anywhere that person go. And as that person visits you, automatically the person will leave it there and go out. Remember that evil spirits, they move around looking for where to enter. That is why anybody that visits your house, you need to cleanse. It's not as if the person is a bad person, but the person may be carrying some negative energies moving around. You may go out there and buy something and bring it into the house. You need to cleanse that item before you start using it. Those that are into spirituality, they know all this. But do not worry, your prayer and your faith will work for you as well. So always cleanse. Just take your spiritual level higher than normal thing that you do. It will not stop you from living your life anyway. It's just for you to be vigilant, more prayerful, and know that we are living in a wicked world. The world is more spiritual than physical. Just know that all the days of your life, and all shall be well. Cleanse yourself. Just follow the instructions in those videos. They works. I'm not saying you should not receive any visitor any longer. Once in a while, cleanse your home. It may be that it's you that will bring those evil things into your house, and it will start tormenting you and the people in that environment. So you see, you need to make positive energy in your house, in your body, to surpass the negative. In that way, nothing harm will come to you. In that way, as you do your spiritual work, they will work for you. As you pray, your prayers will be answered. Keep your ways upright always. It pays. And also elevate your faith. Make sure you have faith at least to some level, so that things will work for you. Every day must not be like other days. Some days doesn't go well, while some days goes well. So in case you dream and your dream always manifests, you dream bad dream and it manifests, you dream good dream and it manifests, pray to God to make your dreams very clear, for you to remember your dream, whether it's bad dream or good dream. It's very important for everyone to dream, especially when you are fortunate to remember your dreams. God passes messages through dreams. If bad thing want to happen to you, it manifests through dream. If good thing want to happen to you, some people is through dream, while some people is through visions. So many ways. You will not expect God to come down and start telling you physically. No, God is spirit. If you are the type that when bad thing happen in dream and it manifests, what have you done? As you wake up from sleep, did you cancel that dream? You need to pray against that dream. Do cleansing before you go out. Just let me tell you a simple one. You can just add salt into your bath water. As you are bathing with it, be praying. I got one comment, somebody saying that anytime they use salt, that things get worse. Anytime you try any spiritual work, it doesn't go well. Just know that your spirit does not align well with it. Try another one. Salt may not work for everybody. There are some people that will use salt cleansing, they will have headache, which shows that maybe the negative energy in them is so much. Just try another mind one. Start from there, then you do salt one later. Okay, so there are so many cleansing videos. Okay, if you do salt cleansing today and it give you some like reaction, like for example you start experiencing like as if something is getting worse, there are some forces fighting you to stop. Like me, if it happens to me, I'm going to continue. I'll continue doing that cleansing, that particular one. That force is pursuing me, is disturbed, is not happy. That is why anytime you do spiritual work, you use a particular one. It's as if things are getting worse. Continue. Whenever you are praying, it's as if some forces are rising up, don't want to go down, even when you are praying. Please continue praying with that season. The enemies are not happy that you are doing it. They want to stop you. That is why. That is just why. But in case you are not comfortable, just stop it. Do another one. Just embark in prayers, consistent prayer. Pray with that season always. May God bless you. So anytime you have bad dream, pray against it. In fact, as you wake up on that bed, pray. Come against it. Tell God Almighty that the will He have for you, the purpose He have for you is not for evil. That God does not want us to have a bad day or experience evil. Come against it. Okay? Come against it. It will not manifest. Even if it manifests, it wants to manifest, God will show you something that will strengthen you, that will make you overcome any evil that may come your way. Do not just relax to watch, to see what is going to happen. On that spot, as you wake up, pray. Even if you want to go and urinate, go and urinate and come back and pray. Even if it's at midnight it happened, as you woke up, pray and go back to bed again. Good dream must not manifest. God will pass that message for you, telling you, pray for it to manifest, so that those good things you saw in dream will manifest. May God bless you. So check out all these things and you will see that good things will be following you, and anything you try will start working, because no more negative energies. That you cleanse today does not mean that as you go out, it will not bring in negative energies. But it's very important so that the positive energy in us will surpass the negative. If the positive energy is 70% and the negative is 30%, good. Continue suppressing that negative energy until it goes down. Continue. May God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and like this video. I will see you next time.